Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video, I want to give you a beginner's guide to Paykickstart. Now this is a marketplace that allows vendors to come along and put products on here, which you then can actually promote and get a commission. Now this is a great marketplace. There's good quality products on here. So it's one that I use every single day to make money online. So in this video, I'm going to show you an overview of Paykickstart, show you how you can go ahead and find products to promote and get the affiliate links. There will be further videos in this series where I talk to you in a little bit more detail about how you can actually make money from this particular network and how I actually set up my own business so that you can do the same thing. So look out for them. Go ahead, hit that subscribe and notification bell so you won't miss any of that content. And guys, if you're really looking to build a business online with affiliate marketing, don't forget to check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I've got some great training there for you that will get you started today. So guys, I will leave a link to Paykickstart in the description below, but basically you're going to come along here and most of these are actually aimed at the folks that want to put products on here. You want to come over here to the resources section and just go down to the affiliate sign up. Once you've clicked here, just go ahead and fill in your details here. There's not much information they need off you. Basically some account details for you, some commission details explaining how you want your commissions to be paid, then some company details. Individuals can obviously sign up for a affiliate account here, and then you're finished, and then you'll be able to jump inside. Now once you jumped inside, you'll have your dashboard here. Now I obviously use this on a regular basis and I make money on a regular basis here. Yours might look a little bit different, but basically this is an overview of my account and the types of sales that I'm making on this particular network. Then you have a list of the commissions that you've made on here, and then you have your affiliate links. Now I will come back to the affiliate links. I want to show you where you can find the products to get your links actually from. So if I come up to the marketplace here, this is a full list of the vendors on this particular network, and you can see there's pages and pages of different types of vendors on here. You'll need to do some research on some of these vendors to see what type of products that they actually release on a regular basis, but the easiest thing to get is to come up here, just go to filter, decide what category of products you want to promote. Say that you want to go into gaming. You have a subcategory here you can fill in. You have a specific vendor you can fill in here, a language, and then payments, whether it's one time or recurring type payments on here. And then you can apply the filters and it's going to bring you to these products that are being released. And basically, if you want to go ahead and then promote this, all you need to do is hit this, then there'll be a notification sent to the vendor and he will actually accept you to promote this. If I just go back, I just choose a slightly different category on here, go to business and finance, take off the games. I could go to a subcategory of, let's say, real estate. Let's see what kind of products on here, and then apply the filter again and we'll see what type of real estate there is. And Russ Hunter seems to do a lot of real estate type products on here, so there is quite a variety on here. As I showed you, if I look under the different categories, you got arts and entertainment, you got education, games, health and fitness, home and garden, internet marketing, e-commerce, mobile, parenting and family, self-help, software, sports and travel. So there's a lot of different variety of products on here. There will mostly be digital products for you to actually promote on here, but there's lots of different niches for you to choose from. So that's the overall marketplace, and it's really easy to search around. You can either just scroll up and go across the pages here, or use your filter, and every time you want to go ahead and promote one of these, you just request to promote here. Now this one here, this Paykickstart, if I just go into here, I can look at the different types of promotion links that I have on here. So I could look at the evergreen plans, 2 times challenge page. I can look at a marketer's vault new digital version page. And if I just go ahead and show you one of these links here. So this is the actual, what the page looks like. This is where the actual sales page is that tells your customers exactly what the product's all about. So it's really easy for you to get your links for these particular pages and start promoting. Now once you have your affiliate links, as I said, they'll be back here in the affiliate links section, and you can come along and just grab your affiliate links. Depending what type of products you have been accepted for, they'll all be listed here. So it's very, very easy to come along and look at the various products you've been accepted for. Then you have this marketing tab. Now this marketing tab is interesting. This can give you more resources and information about the actual vendors that you're promoting. So I just put Adam Payne on here, and all of the different campaigns for Adam will be listed under campaigns. You'll have different funnels for Adam. So I just go ahead and pick the affiliate Oracle. You'll have the affiliate Oracle funnel, and then I'll give you the actual link and then any additional resources that he has for this particular product. So you can come down here and you can use these email swipes in your own marketing to actually go ahead and make money with this product. There is a little hack as well I'll show you. If you want to have more resources for these types of products, what you can do is just type in the name of the product and affiliate into Google, and a lot of the times it will give you the affiliate, something called the joint venture page for these particular products, and that's where you get lots of information that you can use in your own marketing. So you can see here what I did is I put the affiliate Oracle JV into Google here, and when I click on this listing here, this will give me more information that I can use in my actual promotion. But I'll talk to you more about that in my next video, which is going to be about how to actually make money on Paykickstart. For this particular video, it's all about just getting you familiar with using Paykickstart, looking at where you can go and get your products. Because I showed you, sometimes they've got different types of pages depending on where you want to send the traffic or the people that are interested in buying these types of products. So I hope that was useful to you guys. Just a quick overview of Paykickstart. So as I said, I will be doing more videos on Paykickstart so that you can understand how they can get the most value and then the most commissions from this network. I hope that was useful to you guys. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.